Your most anticipated Cyber Monday 2023 deal has landed. Thank you for waiting for the time being. And grab the deal while it is hot. Starting with your favorite Elementor add-ons, the Elementor Pro is now available at only $17.15 for the starter package. The agency lifetime package is $349.50, which is half of the original pricing. So a 50% top price drop on this plugin. Following the Prime Slider add-on is now available for $10.50 for personal yearly package. A whopping 65% price drop, not to mention the maximum agency pack price is 50% less right now. Also, your most favorite Ultimate Postkit add-on is now starting at $10.50 too. So if you missed the chance to make these awesome blogging tools yours, this is the right time to decide again. Additionally, you can grab all top 5 premium add-ons in a combo package that cost less than a quarter of their maximum prices. So will you let the chance go away? Make the deals yours right now by visiting bdthemes.com/cybermonday. Happy shopping!